What's up, y'all? It's your girl Terry Dominique, and I stay on Bleak, and it's on period. I'm back with another video, you guys. I am doing a maintenance vlog. Right now, I'm headed to get my hair braided. So, yeah, I'm about to drop the girls off and head to get my hair braided. So, come with me to get ready. I'm gonna get my hair done, my feet done. I'm gonna do my press-ons. And I'm gonna probably show y'all a couple of packages. But yeah, starting a new vlog. I am headed to drop the girls off, and then once I drop the girls off, I'm gonna go to Starbucks. Y'all already took my baby hairs out that I want out. Just this and this, child, because you know how they do. They don't know how to. They might not keep my edges out, and I gotta keep them out myself. But this is me.
I'ma be your killer, nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like fuck this glitter. Skeet all dirt on bitches. I put it in for you, I spin for you. Whatever you with, I'm with it. How you gon' cross a nigga I'm rockin' with you? I got you lit in the city. I been multitasking, rapping and being a daddy to my little children. I been spinning on business and spinning and spinning and spinning until I'm dizzy. I do all the smack, you never step or help with none of you killin'. You doing a lot of capping, watch when I catch, I'ma walk in front of witness. Damn, I knew you were trippin'. We could've been superstars. Remember when we were checking cars? Now it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Damn, I knew you tripping. We could've been superstars. Helping now I'm reminiscing. Remember when we were checking cars? Now you better keep your distance, cause it's not safe for you. You switch like a pussy little bitch. Track hard with the kick, snatch off from the bitch. When I slide, night light on the blick. Bet I'm on my shit when I'm outside. So them ran down, caught them.
Okay, y'all, if y'all seen in the last clip, I did my brows. This is what they looking like. They not twins, they sisters. And yeah, I didn't get to show y'all my hair. This is what my hair looks like. I've got this style like 4 times already. And it is my go-to hairstyle. Of course, I love this hairstyle. Go-to every time I go out of town. And yeah, I'm gonna do my baby hairs in a second. I'm gonna do my lashes. I'm gonna show you how to do my lashes, how I do my press-on nails. And of course, I gotta get my girls ready, because maintenance ain't a maintenance without your girls being maintenance. So I'm gonna do their hair, and I'm gonna paint their nails. And yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all in the next clip. Thank you. Okay, y'all, so far we've gotten, let's let them see. This is what we got so far. So I decided to actually do boohoo knotless all over her hair. And I'm not a professional, but you know, mommy does it better, and we can save some coins.
I can't believe I believed everything we had would last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. I'm naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when who's swimming. It took me some time, but now I moved on, because I realize I've got to hate myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with you. what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself.
I know I've been crazy. One eye. I use this sealant, this bond. Put the bond on it.
Since she got me like that.